Have you ever wondered how life evolved on Earth? Our journey begins about 4 billion years ago with a remarkable process known as abiogenesis. It's a concept that seems almost magical, life emerging naturally from non-living matter, possibly simple organic molecules. Can you imagine the first life forms on our planet? They were likely single-celled prokaryotic organisms akin to bacteria. These tiny life forms, invisible to the naked eye, were the precursors of all life as we know it. As these organisms evolved, they developed an extraordinary skill, photosynthesis. This allowed them to use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide into organic molecules, producing oxygen as a byproduct. This not only allowed them to thrive, but it also transformed our planet's atmosphere, making it hospitable for future life forms. Thus, the stage was set for the next leap in evolution, the rise of eukaryotes. These were more complex cells with internal structures and a nucleus, paving the way for the rich diversity of life we see today. From single-celled organisms, life on Earth took a giant stride forward with the evolution of eukaryotic cells. Think of these cells as a bustling metropolis, brimming with complexity and dynamism. Each eukaryotic cell houses a nucleus, a kind of central command, directing the cell's activities and safeguarding its precious genetic information. But what's more intriguing is how these eukaryotic cells, each a marvel in its own right, decided to join forces. They banded together, sharing resources and responsibilities to form the first simple multicellular organisms. Think of algae and fungi, humble pioneers who took that leap of faith towards a more complex existence. Imagine for a moment the magnitude of this shift. From solitary cells to collaborative communities, life was becoming more intricate, more diverse. And with this complexity came new possibilities, new paths for evolution to explore. This marked another significant milestone in the evolution of life on Earth. Life was no longer just about surviving, but about thriving in an increasingly complex world. Cambrian explosion was a period of rapid diversification that saw the emergence of a wide variety of animal forms. This fascinating chapter in Earth's history, occurring roughly 541 to 525 million years ago, was like nature's grand experiment. In a relatively short span of time, the ocean floors became a bustling hub of life, with an array of creatures showcasing a diversity of body plans and structures never seen before. In this vibrant tableau of life, the first vertebrate animals, akin to fish, made their appearance. These vertebrates, with their internal skeletons and organized nervous systems, were a significant leap in complexity. Over time, the vertebrates evolved, branching out into various forms such as reptiles, birds, and mammals, each group adapting to the changing environments and carving out their own niches. This period gave rise to a new class of animals, the tetrapods. These four-limbed vertebrates would eventually adapt to life on land, paving the way for the age of mammals and, much later, humans. The age of mammals marked a new era in the history of life on Earth. This epoch began around 200 million years ago, with mammals emerging as a new class of vertebrates. Unlike their predecessors, mammals boasted a unique set of characteristics, such as body hair and the ability to regulate their body temperature. Over time, these mammals diversified and adapted to fill various ecological niches. From the depths of the ocean where whales roam to the vast plains inhabited by herds of antelopes to the skies filled with the flutter of bat wings, mammals have truly conquered every corner of the globe. About 55 million years ago, a new subgroup of mammals came into the picture, the primates. These creatures, our distant relatives, developed distinct traits such as forward-facing eyes and grasping hands, paving the way for a more complex interaction with the environment. Among these primates, a particular family stood out, the hominids. Hominids, a family of great apes, include our own species, Homo sapiens. Around 2 to 3 million years ago, our distinctive lineage, the genus Homo, branched off from other hominids. This was a pivotal moment in our evolutionary journey, setting the stage for the rise of Homo sapiens. Emerging in Africa around 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens introduced a new level of complexity to life on Earth. We developed intricate societies and invented languages, allowing us to communicate and share knowledge in unprecedented ways. We crafted tools, created art, and built civilizations, demonstrating a capacity for creativity and innovation unmatched by any other species. Our cultures, rich and diverse, reflect the breadth and depth of human experience, from our deepest fears to our greatest triumphs. These elements of our existence, societies, languages and cultures, set us apart in the animal kingdom, and so from the simplest forms of life to the complex beings we are today, the evolution of life on Earth is a story of constant change and adaptation, a testament to the incredible resilience and diversity of life.